That is a coconut crunch.
You don't even know how good it is.
And Betty White got a makeover because there's little.
Yeah, well, I was going to come back with an echo.
I can't really understand. I like that.
Yeah, that is pretty cool, isn't it? Today, we're at the Yum Factory in Quincy, Illinois. Locally owned and operated, they're a bakery and chocolate bar, offering cookies, cakes, candies, chocolate, spirits, lunch, and of course, lots of yummy things. Today we're doing a mother and daughter date, and we're starting out decorating cookies with some of our friends.
And now I have more trucks in the factory. Which would you prefer, a truck or a tractor for your third cookie?
Truck.
A truck? Okay.
Big decision.
How about you, truck or tractor?
Truck.
Truck. Good thing we had them. All right, now I have some mermaid tails, some unicorns. You guys like unicorn? Is that your favorite? There you go. So you typically do your edges, and then maybe go to your next cookie, let that dry a little bit, because then when you come back with these thinner ones, they fill your cookie.
Is that royal icing?
It is royal icing. And then if you want to throw some sprinkles on there, this one I believe probably needs some white chocolate chips, but that'll make a cookie look like a cookie, won't it? So we're gonna make, there's our cookie.
So what cookies did you get?
The movie theater?
Moment town.
Oh, really?
In a drama.
Oh.
And a what?
Llama.
It's just
Llama. My mom friends and I thought these looked pretty darned cool. They're Winosaurus. They're gummy bears, but they're not for your kids, they're for you. They come in all different kinds of flavors. Peach Bellini looks like the one that I think will be my favorite, but I can't wait to give these a try. Haha, I almost got you.
That's a heavy door.
It is a little heavy. All right, you still set? Okay. We are outside. They have these cool bubble things. They're like a tent, and they started these last year when everyone was trying to social distance a little bit more, and they've continued to offer them. And it has a little heater, which we have turned on right now because it's kind of cold out here. But actually inside here, it's not cold at all, and we're actually getting kind of pretty warm, so we're going to have them turn that off.
When we first got in here and we thought it was good like that, then they turned on the heater and then it got too.
No, I think it's the sunshine. It's actually very nice and sunny today, which makes it nice and warm, and in our case, pretty hot. I'm gonna see, they just open up like this. They're just little tents, and they're a really neat idea. We've been wanting to come and sit in these. We thought they would cost a lot of money to do this, but as it turns out, it's free.
I saw them once, I'm just like, those are cool, and I wanted to be in them so bad, but I didn't say anything.
Did you think you'd get to be in one?
No.
These are water, and they have little smiley faces on them. And I don't know if you can see, hold yours up here a little better, Quinn. Hers has glitter in it. I don't think mine does.
I see glitter on yours.
Do you?
Yeah.
So I've named mine Frank because it kind of reminds me of Frank Sinatra. And she has named hers what?
Betty White.
Betty White. We miss you, Betty. All right, now we're going to figure out what we're going to eat. All right, you want the homemade mac and cheese, right? And I want the yum panini. All right, so what'd you get?
The homemade mac and cheese.
The homemade mac and cheese.
I tried it. Yeah, good.
You don't even know how good it is.
It looks really, really good, but it's really hot.
Just use the food.
I know.
Oh, that looks like a sandwich on the side.
It is a sandwich. So I think it's ham, turkey. Hang on, I gotta find out what my thing says here. Turkey, ham, provolone, that's a cheese, with mayo, Dijon mustard, and I don't know how to say this name, Giardiniera grilled on Asiago bread. Alright, so the hot Giardiniera.
Bread, I told you it was
I
bread.
might have done without had I paid attention. She asked me if I wanted all this stuff on it, and of course I wanted to try it the way they made it, but I'm not a big spicy food fan, so we're gonna see if this is too spicy for me or not.
What is mine made with?
Yours is homemade mac and cheese, a cheesy, creamy bowl of deliciousness.
Yeah, it is delicious.
It is. I've had that one other time when we came here, and I thought it was really good. But your idea of cutting it is probably a really good idea. Nope, can't do that. It doesn't cut. The backside is so cheesy.
Let me see it. Oh, wow. Try it.
It's actually really good. That first bite was a little spicy, but now that I've gotten into it, it's a lot less spicy. And I'm really like it. We would both recommend our food. That is some sort of milk chocolate raspberry.
They look pretty different.
Those look really good.
Yeah, I want one of those instead. Then,
So one of everything,
then I want
huh?
one of these.
The chocolate covered
This one
Oreos.
and that one. Like
Oh, the one with the like the pretty flower on the top.
yeah.
That is really pretty.
Yeah. And that all they?
And there's lots of stuff up here.
What
even.
is the back thing?
That is so cool. I wonder if they make that probably like with a stamp or something. That is so pretty. We ended up getting an Oreo cookie
And we both got that.
with chocolate, 2 raspberry filled chocolates, and this one is a wedding cake macaroon. First we're gonna try the raspberries since they're the same.
That one was mine.
That one's yours? Okay. Ready? So they're chocolate on the outside with like a little stamp. She said they're a transfer.
Yes,
And then they have chocolate inside, or raspberry filling inside. Aren't those yummy looking? You like it? I like it. So now she's, which one are you trying? What is that?
Oreo covered in chocolate.
Like it?
I didn't get the inside.
And mine is a wedding cake macaroon. Ooh. So it's really crunchy on the outside and then really chewy inside. Oh my goodness, this is amazing. With yummy lotus drinks, cool cups, igloo seating, possibly the best mac and cheese in town, and all the fun, unique surprises. We found the Yum Factory to be not just a place for lunch, but a fun experience for our whole afternoon. We definitely recommend a stop at the Yum Factory.